Hey everyone! Welcome back. Today, we're diving into HTML basics. Those core tags you'll use all the time to structure any web page. We'll look at headings, paragraphs, links, and images. If you're new to HTML, this video is perfect for you. Let's start with HTML headings. Headings help structure content, making it easier to read and navigate. HTML provides 6 heading tags, from H1 to H6, where H1 is the most important and H6 is the least. Next up, we have paragraphs. HTML paragraphs are defined with the P tag. Each paragraph tag creates a new block of text, making it super easy to organize your content. Now let's talk about links. Links are created using the A tag, and you need to use the href attribute to specify where you want to link to. Finally, let's cover images. HTML images use the img tag. This tag needs a few key attributes: src for the image file, alt for alternative text, and optionally width and height. The alt attribute is really important because it describes the image for screen readers. Remember, img tags don't have a closing tag, so it's just one line.